local university that had a legacy boiler system, and they were concerned about reliability and cybersecurity risks of the system.
This project was unique in the fact that our customer came to us with a rather simple problem, but through our partnerships and our team, we were able to uncover a larger, deeper need.
So we were able to collaborate with the customer to really define a full scope and a phased approach to solve their problems, and then uniquely collaborate with our partner Cyber Patrol to solve the problem and meet the customer's requirements to build a more reliable and secure system.
Our partnerships like these that are involved in the partner network only make us stronger. We have a lot of shared customers, and our ecosystem of partnerships allow us to be more versatile.
On behalf of Van Meter, we're very honored to accept the 2024 Partner Network Conference Innovation Award.